It's Christmas, David, by David Shannon.
It's Christmas, David, by David Shannon. At Christmas time, everyone always said, "No, David! No peeking! No snitching! Those are not toys. Santa's watching, David. Be patient. Hurry up. Naughty list, naughty list, naughty list. Santa's going to bring you a lump of coal.
Get your elbows
Don't
off the
start
table.
yet.
Put your napkin
Seat
in
your
lap.
grandmother.
Don't
No yawning
reach.
at the
Sit
dinner
up
table.
straight.
That's the wrong fork. Sit
No
up straight.
yawning
Don't reach.
at
Put your
the
napkin in
dinner
your lap.
table.
Get
Seat
your
grandmother.
elbows off
Don't
the table.
Start yet. No, David. You may not open one early. Go to sleep, David. No Christmas for you, David. Dear David, sorry, you are naughty. Love, Santa Claus. Wake up, David. You were dreaming. Yes, David. It's Christmas. Dear David, Merry Christmas. Love, Santa Claus.